Hello, hi once again bafethu onyakeni omusha. So angeke ngimoshe isikhathi ke bafethu. I'm here to review Genesis. So what's happening lana ke? uMaruna went straight to uWendy, of which is her mom. Ayomtshela ukuthi she refused an offer that came from uBonko. A money offer that would leave uBonko out of uMaruna forever, for good. But uMaruna bafethu, we all know that she rejected the offer. Njengoba uBonko ade emtshelile ukuthi makabhale offer of the money that she wants, whatever amount that she wants. Bonko is gonna give her that amount. Bonko is keen to give Maruna that amount. Maruna wrote Bonko on the book, so we all know Maruna is not backing down regarding the couple that Bonko and Owetu are in, because these people wanna get married, but every time they wanna get married, Maruna has to come and disrupt everything. So Wendy is disappointed at Maruna for not picking an offer, because we all know Wendy loves money, guys. So she is disappointed with Maruna did not take the money instead. We understand. But Maruna doesn't want money, she wants ubonko wakhe. On the other side, Ishmael is gonna be dropping an album. It's gonna be dropping an album, lapha Genesis. So njengoba behleli-ke la nesithanda sakhe kuNobuhle, Ishmael came to deliver the good news ukuthi uyamema. He is sending out an invite to Unobuhle. I think it's a launch lapha Genesis utabe khona for his album. Apparently Unobuhle uthi besetholile invite and she wouldn't miss it for the world ukuthi engabibikho kwi-album launch ka-Ishmael. So eventually she's gonna be there as a supportive girlfriend, of course. And on the other side, bafethu, hey drama ipheli lana. Bonko comes through to Umaruna, and it seems as if Umaruna has forgotten ukuthi she signed the divorce papers. She was the one who was pushing for divorce, but signed the divorce papers, and also forced Bonko to actually sign the divorce papers, because obviously Bonko was out of Maruna's life, but Maruna was denying everything, fighting for Bonko. She also signed the papers, you understand. So Maruna looks shocked, you understand, because she doesn't believe she signed the papers. And if you understand, she still believes she can get Ubonko. But Ubonko doesn't want anything to do with Maruna. Ubonko ufunele to work. As you can see, guys, it's just a shocker. Maruna, she signed the divorce papers, you understand? Because there are two signatures, which means Ubonko signed, also Maruna signed, agreeing with these guys are no longer together. They're no longer a couple. They're no longer married. So Ubonko kuyasho ukuthi he is actually awkward and evil, because the Sedibeng family only wants money, and the time they actually forced the marriage when they came to Amagate Agathabet. So apparently bafethu Umaruna signed the papers, On the other side, guys, we all know bafethu uMpumi kumhambela kahle laphana, as she is the ghost songwriter for Ubasitsana at Revelation Records. So Gabriel just bought her a car, she's living the soft life, uMpumi with Gabriel. But personally, I think Gabriel is using Umpumi. But I'm not on that side. I mean Umpumi, guys. Umpumi has a car, not Maroon. I'm sorry. So Ishmael is about to drop his album, and they are about to have a launch by Genesis. But as we all know, Gabriel ngaphandle destroy Genesis. So he's telling Umpumi they have to push. Umpumi has to write more songs, and they have to release in order for the noise to stop by Genesis. He wants to block the noise, we understand. So apparently Mpumi has to write songs, and Gabriel is there to destroy a Genesis, since Ishmael futhi is to keep an album yakhe. On the other side, Bonko had a gift for Owetu. Owetu is disappointed because the marriage thing did not happen, as she must be disappointed. But Ubonko came to surprise Owetu, to tell Owetu ukuthi Umaruna signed the divorce papers, you understand? And Owetu does not seem to believe this, you understand? She's actually surprised and shocked, but not in a bad way. But she doesn't believe this thing is real. Maruna signed the divorce papers, of which finally Maruna can leave Ubonko and Owetu alone, for them to be the couple that they want to be. So moving on, bafethu, I think Maruna had a copy too. Ayise laphana kumama wakhe uWendy to tell uWendy ukuthi she did not sign papers. she did not sign papers. She believes it probably might be fraud or they forged her signature. You understand? And uWendy is all about money. So when uWendy bemtshengisa ukuthi there's a signature yaMaruna lapha on the divorce papers, uWendy is asking about money ukuthi why didn't you take the offer? They wouldn't be here because uMaruna does not want money. Akayifuni imali. She does not love money. Instead, she should have signed and she should have told Ubongo ukuthi ufuna amount engaka. But ke Maruna is sat on her corner abona believing ukuthi she did not sign any papers, divorce papers. So Ubongo ke bafethu is announcing, in fact, this is the event of Ishmael's album launch. You understand? So by launch album yakhe Ishmael lapha Genesis, they're having a celebration, so they're actually appreciating him for his work lapha Genesis, telling him ukuthi Genesis wouldn't have been possible and the people who are signed as co-artists wouldn't be there ngaphandle Ishmael. So Ishmael is celebrated, guys. Congratulations to him for umsebenzi wakhe lapha Genesis, and I guess we all can't wait to actually hear the album as a job, because Genesis is about to launch his album and everyone is actually appreciative lapha Genesis ngomsebenzi kaIshmael. Mfundisi lapha yasho ukuthi hey ngangikhohlwa mase kuza ama-awards, ungasikhohlwa, because they supported him. But on the other side, guys, there's bad news. Thandi wants to speak to Nobuhle. Yeah, I also don't know what it is about, but I think it's about the vixen and the incident that happened with the girl that was a vixen in music video Ishmael. So moving on, bafethu, Maruna has lost everything. So apparently ngoba kuphuma amaphepha ukuthi Maruna usayine ama-divorce papers, Maruna had to dash off to Gabriel. So if you remember well, guys, Gabriel and Maruna had a child back then, you understand, Upila. Upila was the one who actually passed on lapana on the first episode of Genesis, if you guys tuned in. So Maruna has lost everything and it's bad for her. Yeah, but nothing is actually coming up good for her. And the only person that can help her or listen to her is Gabriel, because she has lost everything. She believes Genesis was using her when they had problems, debts. Genesis used Maruna to actually elevate yabona. So Maruna also recorded songs Zagabongo, which are also produced by Ubongo, you understand, helping Ubongo to be at his peak lapha Genesis, and helping Ubongo to actually maintain his legacy lapha Genesis. Ngoba manje SOCO, Maruna was the reason of everything that happened lapha Genesis. So yasho Gabriel ukuthi akalahliwe uMaruna, but she is finally free, because the same thing that is happening to Maruna also happened to Gabriel. Gabriel. But again, now it's Maruna's turn, because Ubongo doesn't want to build a legacy in Maruna. Instead, Ubongo wants to build a legacy in Owetu, not Umaruna. So that's how painful it is for Umaruna. They left her with nothing at hand. On the other side, Uthande Bafethu sits down with Nobuhle and they have like a conversation. So recently, obviously, Nobuhle was involved in some dramatic issues regarding a vixen, a big music video ka Ishmael. So this vixen actually wanted Ishmael. This vixen was flirting with Ishmael, but Ishmael did not actually take it as something huge. But Nobuhle felt jealous about that and actually fought for Ishmael. So there was a fight that took place between the vixen and Nobuhle, which is costing Nobuhle her place lapha Genesis, because if you remember, Nobuhle was suspended, but now I think it went from bad to worse. I think Nobuhle is fired from Genesis regarding that fight. With whoever started that fight, it does not matter. But Nobuhle, I think, is fired. She is relieved from all duties lapha Genesis. That's so sad. On the other side, guys, Gabriel has an announcement for abantu lapha and the journalists lapha Revelation Records. So apparently Maruna is now signed to Revelation Records. Oh my God, Maruna is moving like Judas right now. So Maruna is signed lapha Genesis, Revelation Records. I keep saying Genesis, I'm sorry. Revelation Records, you understand? And everyone does not believe it, including Ubongo, because Ubongo was ukuthi Maruna is signed lapha Genesis. But I remember also Maruna was released by Ubongo lapha Genesis because they were supposed to cut a 3-year album deal with her. So Maruna had to be fired in order for Ubongo to be with Owetu. I don't know how he is shocked about that. But okay, moving on, Mpumi-ke is angry. She's jealous ukuthi uMaruna is always the top girl. She's always the top person in the family. Every time she is close to her success, uMaruna comes to distract and disrupt his success yakhe. So, hey, when these people can actually work together, there's no need to fight because Maruna made a good decision by joining Revelation. But because she made a good decision, it's all about money, obviously. So she believes ukuthi she is the face of HNS Revelation, not uMaruna. So Maruna is going as a disruptor impumelelo kaMpumi. So Felicia, they are all shocked ukuthi uMaruna has signed under Genesis. Revelation, oh sorry guys, I'm used to Genesis. That's the thing. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Buffet too. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.